For your hair to keep on growing, you need a good moisturizer that will help to moisturize your hair, keep your hair hydrated, and help you for length retention. On today's video, I will share with you this powerful hair growth butter that will help you for length retention, promote faster hair growth, and keep your hair super moisturized and super hydrated. To prepare this powerful hair growth butter, my first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. Rosemary boosts hair growth, improves circulation to hair follicles, acts as antioxidants, improve scalp healthy, strengthen hair protect against hair loss. My second ingredient is Cloves. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair. My third ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed are rich in source of iron and protein, have nutrients for hair growth, provide moisture, stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair and soften the overall hair texture, fight dandruff, prevent hair loss, enhance hair shine, promote scalp healthy, and add thickness to your hair. Next thing, I bring a bowl to put in my ingredients together. The first ingredient I'll transfer into my bowl is 2 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. My second ingredient is 2 tablespoons of my cloves. My third ingredient is 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. After putting them together, I'll bring my dry blending, transfer it into my dry blender. It's very necessary you crush it. If you don't have dry blender, please use your local mortar to crush it. But if you have the powder form of this ingredient, there's no need of you crushing it again. But it's very important, if you have the seed one, please make sure that you crush it, okay, so that you can get a good result in this hair growth butter. After crushing it, okay, I'll just pour it into this my bowl again and bring my next ingredient. My next ingredient is shea butter, so make use of your shea butter, okay. If you have mango butter or cocoa butter, it can make use of any of this, okay. Shea butter help a lot in hair growth. It help a lot promote hair growth, especially if your hair is hard managing. Shea butter will help to soften that hair, give you natural hair shine, okay. So next thing, I put my oils, okay. Use any oil of your choice, but please make sure that your oil is not greater than your butter, okay, to get a good result, okay. So after putting my oil, I mix them together and my water is already on fire. I'm going to do this by double boiling method. So this is the only way I can melt this. The reason why I'm doing this double boiling method is to infuse these herbs, for them to release their nutrients into this shea butter and oil, okay. So I'm going to mix. I like this to stew for at least 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes mark, I'm okay, and I know that these ingredients have released their nutrients into this butter and the oil mix. So this part is very necessary, but make sure that you keep on stirring it, okay, so that you make sure that everything marry themselves very well and the ingredients properly release their nutrients. That's why I say you should use powder form. If this ingredient is not in powder form, I believe that their nutrient, their release will not be as potent as this, okay. After the thing have reached 10 minutes, I'll bring it down and strain it. I strain it immediately because if I allow this to cool down, it's going to be soggy, okay. It will be hardened, and that once it's hardened, it cannot be able to strain it out. My hand is very hot to me. Don't mind the way I'm doing it. My hand is very hot, so please try and do it when it's hot. That is the only way you can get the good benefit of it, to strain everything out. So next thing, I'll put this in the fridge, okay. I'll put it in the fridge for it to solidify a little bit before we move on to whipping this butter to get that fluffy hair butter you see earlier before now. This hair butter will help to promote your hair growth. This hair butter will help to promote your hair faster, especially if your hair is hard in managing. If you're looking for a good moisturizer. This hair butter should be your best friend. Okay, so I'm going to use my hand mixer to whip. Make sure that this gets into a fluffy state that I wanted. Okay, so if you don't have hand mixer, I think you can use your normal blender. I don't know, I have not tried that before, but if you have tried before, please let me know in comment section below. Okay, so if I whip, I'll skip the part of the so that this thing can mix up very well. So consistent whipping it, the thing start changing in color. Okay, because the ingredient is getting to marry themselves properly. So next thing now, I'll put in my vitamin E oil. I'll use some capsule of my vitamin E capsule. If you have vitamin E oil, you can also make use of it. Next thing, I put a little bit of my lavender essential oil. If you have any further essential oil at this point, you can also drop it. Essential oil helps a lot in this butter. Okay, but if you don't have essential oil, please do not worry yourself. Only the ingredients that we use to make this butter, they are very potent. They will give you that good result you desire. So at this point, I'm okay with the consistency of this butter. So if you want your butter to be more hardener, I think you should increase your shea butter. Okay, or yes, you should cleanse your shea butter. But my hair is low porosity, so low porosity is light butter that work more perfectly in our hair. And secondly, after whipping your butter, keep it a while, it will also solidify more harder. So I would advise you, if you are making your butter, make it to be more fluffy. Okay, unless you want it to be very hard, because after keeping this away for some days, it will start getting more harder. I don't know if you have noticed that in your butter. Please let me know. Okay, so after whipping it, I transfer into this my container to store my hair butter. Do you see how this butter have absorbed on my hand? That the same way it also melts and absorb and penetrate into my hair. This hair butter is all you need to keep that hair moisturized, hydrated, promote that hair growth. This hair butter will help you for length retention, help you to soften your hair, especially if your hair is hard in managing. So I will demonstrate to you on how to apply this on your hair. Okay, to use it to get that best results. This stage of my hair just fresh wash hair. Okay, so I'm going to use this butter now to keep my hair hydrated and moisturized to my next wash day routine again. So I will apply this butter on my hair. Like as I always say, try to work in session. Working in session will make sure that the product you are putting on your hair easily penetrates in your hair. It's very necessary you work in session. So I apply this butter in this first session and I will twist it away, move on to the next session. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching, and comment in comment section below. Say yes, I have watched up to this point, and I will know that you have watched up to this point. Okay, I really appreciate that. Do you see how shiny, healthy my hair feel? My hair feels so shiny and so healthy. The good part of this hair butter, it will not keep your hair greasy. Okay, this hair butter will keep your hair super moisturized, super hydrated. I'm just trying to show you the part I have applied my hair butter and the part I have not applied the hair butter. I hope you are seeing the difference. So after moisturizing all the entire of my hair, this is what I have so far. My hair is now moisturized. This butter is not only for the strength of your hair, you can also use this butter on your scalp. That's what I'm trying to show you now, that you can also use it on your scalp. Okay, especially if you are struggling with dry scalp, freaky hair, dandruff, this hair butter can also help to solve that your scalp problem. Okay, but while applying this hair butter on your scalp, please don't apply too much of it. Okay, so that you not have build up faster on your hair. Use this butter whenever you feel like your hair is dry and keep that hair moisturized. And before you put your hair in protective hairstyle, please make sure that you apply this butter on that hair before you go on that protective hairstyle. Before you take down that protective hairstyle, your hair will still keep moisturized, and also you see a lot of growth before your hair will, before you take down the protective hairstyle. I hope this video is very helpful. I hope this butter is very helpful to you. Please let me know in comment section below, have you tried this kind of butter before, and are you going to give it a try? What do you think on today's video? I would like to know your opinion. opinion in comment section below. So guys, I've come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed, help me to click on that subscribe button. It really help the growth of the channel. And once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Help me to like this video, please. If you have not liked up to this point, click on that like button. It helps this channel to grow, and it also encourage me to put out more good content out there for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will know how to use hair butter, some ingredients in their kitchen to grow their hair. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed and keep on shining. Bye.